Hey guys, this is KMC Panugot. I give you my game review of Red Dead Redemption Game of the Year. This game is an open world western action adventure video game published by Rockstar. This game I got was Game of the Year, which meant two games in one CD. The other one was Undead Nightmare and the other one is normal game which follow the main story. But this time I show you how to catch a horse, which is popular to do in this game. By the way, this is John Marston, the former gang member.
It's all right. You're mine now.
Once you catch a horse, you need to balance your character to, to maintain your horse to be yours.
Almost got it. I got you now. Hold it down. Trouble here. Come on, baby. Hold down. Hush.
Okay, I got my horse now. Again, this is KMC Panugos showing you my game review of Red Dead Redemption. Thanks for watching.